Hi, I'm Raven and I'm in my backyard garden in South Louisiana, and today I want to talk with you about plant blindness. So plant blindness is a term that was coined by Elizabeth Schussler and James Wandersee, shout out to LSU, my alma mater, in the 90s, and this is a concept that means the inability for us humans to see and notice plants that are in our own environment, right? So our inability to recognize and connect with the flora around us. So why does this matter, right? Why does it matter if I'm able to name the types of plants that, are found in landscaping? Well, there's a few reasons, right? So when humans are disconnected from the plants around them and they don't understand where things like, the fruits and vegetables that they buy at the grocery store come from, this disconnect causes us to not really prioritize things like conservation or global warming. Why? Because we just don't really have the basic understanding of how these plants impact us and why it should matter, right? So I want us to be able to understand some basic plant science that we were able to actually engage in conversations about global warming. Another reason why plant blindness is very important, especially here in America, is because we have issues with food security, right? Lots of child hunger in our country, which makes no sense because there's so much food, right? And there's so much food and land that's able to grow food. So when we are able to connect with the plants around us and connect with our food sources, we're able to actually engage in conversations about food security with actual knowledge. And then finally, a reason why I really want to talk about plant blindness with people is because when we have a basic understanding of plant science and we're able to share things about ethnobotany, right, the way that people use plants in different cultures, it kind of helps our own understanding of how things like medicines work, right, and how people have used plants over and shared that knowledge over generations upon generations, because there's a lot of plant knowledge out there. So plant blindness can be super important, and I want us to be able to combat that. So let's get to learning.